Welcome to the Genius Factory. Enjoy the video.
In this video, I will show how to connect your Ledger Nano S to your phone. First, confirm your smartphone supports USB on the go, or OTG, which is essential for this connection. Next, download and install the official Ledger Live mobile application from your phone's App Store. You will also need a compatible USB OTG cable, typically a USB-A to micro USB or USB-C adapter, to physically link your Ledger device to your mobile phone. This setup ensures secure management of your crypto assets on the go. Now, let's make the physical connection. Take your USB OTG cable and plug the larger end into your smartphone's charging port. Then, connect the smaller end of the OTG cable directly into your Ledger Nano S device. Once connected, power on your Ledger Nano S and unlock it by entering your 4 to 8-digit PIN code. This establishes the secure hardware link between your device and your phone, preparing for the next steps. With your Ledger Nano S connected and unlocked, open the Ledger Live mobile application on your smartphone. The app should automatically detect your device. Follow the clear on-screen prompts within Ledger Live to initiate the pairing process. You will then need to approve this connection directly on your Ledger Nano S by simultaneously pressing both buttons on the device. This confirms the secure communication channel between your hardware wallet and the mobile app. Congratulations! Your Ledger Nano S is now connected to your phone via Ledger Live. You can now securely view your crypto portfolios, check transaction history, and manage your assets. Easily install or uninstall applications for different cryptocurrencies directly from the app. Most importantly, you can confidently send and receive crypto assets, with every transaction securely validated on your Ledger Nano S hardware wallet.
Thanks for watching. If you found this helpful, don't forget to like and subscribe.